Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just want to give you an update of my climbing bulbous flowers. This is Gloriosa and it's a climbing bulbous flower. It has cigar-like tubers, or shall we say corms, because it's member of the Colchicaceae family. So it's member of the meadow saffron, Colchicum autumnale, but it's a tropical plant. And you can see that the end of the leaves are tendrils, so it's going to use them to climb up. And the old flowers are turning pink. And this is another cultivar, it's just started to open. This one also just started to open. And this is already spent. It's called Littonia modesta or Gloriosa modesta, and it has already seed pods. But I will discard some seed pods because I don't want that much seed, and I hope the plant will flower more. It is starting to flower now, and they are going to go, they can go up to for a month or two. And they have some virus in them, so another research topic for me. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.